everyone, my name is Talon, and I will be showing you how to make version 2 of the Lego puzzle box. So let's film down here where the puzzle box is. Alright, well, it's a pretty cool puzzle box, just like the last one. And now I think a little giraffe or someone else. Oh, my comment is to entertain you. Well, I get this ready.
The giraffe went on vacation to see the pyramids.
You might know this guy.
Yes.
You can comment and tell us who it is.
Doesn't focus very well on the guy. Are you ready?
Yes.
Bye-bye for now.
Bye. Alright, so these are the pieces you'll need. So, you'll need 2 2x3s, 3 1x2 flats. One of them is going to be your treasure, so let's lay it up here. Or in my perspective, down here. 1x2, or just a 1x2 plate, I think. Or is it tile? Yeah, tile, I think. And here's a corner piece. Here is one of these corner pieces. So, let's get to building it. So, you'll want to take your thing here. Well, 2x3. And then put on your treasure there. Then, actually no, I think, yeah, I was wrong. You'll want to put it on here. Then you'll want to put your 1x1 flat here. And then you'll want to put a corner piece right here. Then you'll want to put one of these pieces here. Then your other flats go here and here. This one won't be attached to anything, so it might be a bit wobbly. Then you'll want to put your second 2x3 there and press it down hard. Alright, and this is what your puzzle box should look like. Alright, now if you don't want to know how to solve it, pause now. Pause now.
Pause.
Yes, pause if you don't want to. Alright, now you will see how to solve it. So, first thing you need to do is take out, slide this.
Just see your hands right now.
Oh.
Yeah, that's better.
You just see, you guys just see my hands now. Now you'll want to slide this out, then put it aside. Actually, you don't want to put it aside. You want to use it and push the other one out like this. Use it as your key. And then...
Can you show us the other side? Oh, there it is. Cool.
Take out your prize. Oh my goodness, I definitely did press that down hard. There we go. And then you'll have your prize.
Yay.
Yay. And now let me unsolve it. Let me unsolve it. So this is how to unsolve it. Just put your prize back. Somehow I like showing people how to unsolve the puzzle boxes. Push this back in. Put this back in. Press it down so nothing wobbles around. And then you've just unsolved your puzzle box. And you can give it to someone else to see if they can solve it. Alright everyone, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And bye-bye for now!